Animation. Animations are special visual effects that you add to text and different objects on a slide. Animation effects enhance the appearance of the slide in the presentation. Animated objects make a presentation more interesting and attractive. You can also use them to highlight the main points in your presentation. PowerPoint also has various options to set the order and timing of the animations to suit your needs. To add animations to your presentation, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the text or image you wish to animate. 2. Click on Animations tab. 3. Click on More button. A drop-down gallery opens with various animation effects. The animation effects in PowerPoint are divided into 4 categories. The categories are Entrance. This category has effects that control the entry of an object on the slide. Emphasis. The effects in this category are used to highlight key points or objects in a presentation. Exit. This category has effects that control the exit of an object from the slide. Motion paths. This effect is like emphasis effect, but the object moves within the slide along a path or a pattern, such as a circle or a square. 4. Choose the desired animation effect. To see a preview of the animation effect you have selected, follow the given steps. 1. Click on Animations tab. 2. Select Preview tool. Timing. To add or modify timing of the animation effects, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the Animations tab. 2. Click on the Start Down button and select any one option. 3. Enter the number of seconds that you want the animation to run in the duration box. 4. Click on Move Earlier or Move Later to change the order of animation. Animation pane. To open Animation pane, follow the given steps. 1. Click on Animations tab. 2. Click on Animation pane command. A task pane opens on the right side of the window. It shows the number of text or object with the applied animation effects. In this pane, you can reorder the animations, change the timing, start options, and the duration by clicking on the down arrow of each applied animation effect. Removing an animation. To remove an animation, click on the number to remove. The number box gets highlighted. Press the Delete key. You can also remove an animation effect from the animation pane. Just click on an effect and press the Delete key. The animation effect is removed.